With Tambazwane ruled out through injury, the debate over who should fill Bafana Bafana's pivotal number 10 role has intensified, and supporters are far from unanimous. Despite coach Hugo Bros showing renewed faith in Sipho Mbule, deploying the Orlando Pirates midfielder as the creative link behind the strikers, many South Africans remain unconvinced that he is the right man for the job at the Africa Cup of Nations. Mbule has enjoyed a resurgence since joining the Soweto Giants and being handed a second chance at international level. Bros has praised his contribution and versatility, particularly in tight midfield spaces, but fans argue that while Mbule is talented, he does not possess the natural attributes required of a traditional number 10. Some supporters also feel Mbule's performances dip significantly against teams that apply aggressive high pressing, a key concern heading into high-stakes tournament football. On social media, the debate is in full swing. One said, "If we're being honest, Mbule isn't a number 10. Even when he plays there, he operates more like an 8. I don't see much difference between him and Bata." Another one said, "Patrick Maswanganyi is a better 10 because of his work rate. Gabriel Dlamini is another option, though his work rate is a problem." Another one stated, "Only Thembinkosi Lorch can play that position at the highest level. Mbule can come on as a substitute to slow the game and control tempo. But in terms of creating and scoring, Lorch is superior." Another one said, "We need to be honest. Mbule is not a natural number 10. Some fans even believe Neo Maema should be considered ahead of the Mbule for AFCON, arguing that he brings more balance and creativity, while others worry Sipho is not physically fit enough for the demands of knockout football. With the tournament looming and Zwane unavailable, Bros faces a defining selection dilemma whether he persists with Mbule, tends to Lodge, or opts for a different creative spark altogether may prove decisive for Bafana Bafana's attacking fortunes. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.